Good morning, everybody. It's Derek here, and I'm sitting with Steven. How are you, Steven?
I'm awesome. How are you?
Good, good. So today we're going to introduce a new segment called Tech Talk with Steven.
You betcha.
You being Steven, you get to lead us in the charge there.
Fantastic.
So we want to talk about a scenario where we actually had a customer run out of gas about 6 feet from the fuel pumps. We went to go help her push it up. We couldn't push it. We couldn't get it into neutral.
That's right.
So can you tell us, how do we put a car into neutral, especially the new knob style,
Yep.
that isn't running? Because it has to be running to put it in gear.
It does. It has to have a 12-volt power source. So basically, if you have the push button start, you're going to put it in accessory mode. If you have a key style key, you're going to just turn it on. What you're going to do is press your brake pedal and your gas pedal all the way to the floor.
So the brake and the gas at the same time.
Yep. And then
Okay.
you're able to put it into neutral. So if you need to push it, you can. If you want it to stay in neutral, you just press the middle button, and that's it.
Then we could have pushed her.
Then we could have pushed her.
So
And then to get it out, you just put it back into park, and that's it.
so there is so much technology in these new vehicles, and we always try, when we deliver a vehicle to a customer, we try to go through all the features. But until we have an issue like this, we really don't know. So that's why we've invented Tech Talk with Steven.
It's actually good that it happened, because you run into a situation like that, and what do you do? Well, now we know how to do this, so it was good that it happened.
Yeah, we're pretty excited about the misfortune of a customer in that case. But anyway, so this concludes our first Tech Talk with Steven. Thanks for coming out, buddy.
Have a good day.